What's going on, coach? My name is Ben Neighbors. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell out camps and clinics for your private coaching business. And these are the things that I personally did. And this is exactly what I teach to the top coaches all across the United States that sell out camps and clinics consistently. And I've worked with some coaches that have literally made like $30,000 in one day from their camps and clinics, all the way to coaches that have smaller camps and clinics where they make like $1,000 for like literally 1 hour of work. So what I'm going to teach you here, these are the basics. And I know this is going to really help you. Even if you only implement one of the things that I show you here, it's going to help out a lot in terms of marketing and maximizing the camps and clinics that you run. All right. So let's go straight into this. So the first thing, this is one of the most important things, is you need to give yourself time. A lot of people in this industry, what they do is, let's say they have a camp next Friday, they start promoting the camp next Monday. So there's not enough time to market. And I recommend having 30 to 60 days before the camp begins to actually start marketing. That is the first thing, is buy yourself time. That lets you get really prepared. That lets people do everything that I'm about to show you here if they're going to actually sign up. So the number one thing is give yourself 30 to 60 days to actually market your camp or clinic. And it's way easier to go into these camps and clinics when you run them, or if you have staff that run them, if everyone has already signed up. It's way easier to do that than trying to get a bunch of people to, sign up last second. That's number one. The second one, this is really key, is offer early bird discounts that are either time sensitive or it's set up to where, like, for example, the first 20 people who buy, you can get it for this price versus it being this price. So you can drive faster registration, especially at the beginning, if you offer early bird discount or if it's for like first 20 kids that sign up. Having that at the beginning of your promotion when you do your marketing for camps and clinics, in my opinion, is way better than not doing that, because at the end of the day, everybody loves deals. And I'm not saying you should like slash your prices by 80%. That's not what I'm saying. What I am telling you though is you need to be able to have something in place that is easy for your clients to understand, or the parents to understand when they read it. They're like, okay, it's normally this much. If I buy it right now, this is what it is. And this is the cutoff date. If people know that, it's way easier to sell out camps. And in my opinion, having that built into your marketing is better than just selling it at normal price, right? That's the second thing. The third is, if you sell a multi-day camp, so a lot of coaches sell like 3-day camps, or especially in the summer, like 5-day camps. What you want to be able to do is you want to be able to have it staggered where yes, you are selling the multi-day camp, but at a certain point, you want to start shifting towards selling single day options. And the reason why you want to do that is because, let's say you have a 5-day camp. If somebody doesn't register because they can't literally just be there for one of those days, let's say they're going out of town, then they're not going to register at all. So that's when you need to start introducing single day options to capture the parents that are able to do something for 1 or 2 days versus not signing up because they can't just come to one day. And I see a lot of coaches that literally lose thousands and thousands of dollars per year because they don't even offer that. They're just stubborn and they're like, well, I'm only going to offer the 5-day thing. And if you can't do that, then you can't do anything at all. But if you stagger it to where later in your marketing, you start offering the 1-day options, you can make way more money, and you start to get people that maybe wouldn't have signed up to begin with to be introduced to your coaching. They might want to do other stuff in the future, right? So that is a really important one to have. And that is the third, right? The fourth one, and this is something that I know a lot of coaches are ultimately afraid to do, but it's really easy, is you need to put together some sort of incentive plan for everybody that signs up, because every customer that signs up for that, they're going to know 10 to 20 other parents that don't know you yet. And you can set it up to where, like, easy example would be, if they send out your registration link to 2 people that sign up, then the next camp that you run, like, the person that referred the 2 people, they get half off. Or you could do it to where if they get 3 people to sign up, the next camp you run, they get it for free. And doing stuff like that and customizing that down towards the parents that sign up gives you a way better shot of selling out camps and clinics, because now you're getting like virality with these registration links versus you only marketing it to who's on your list. And this is a really powerful type of tool in your marketing because now every single time someone signs up, they're given a reason to share that registration link with other parents. So you have to be able to give them that reason, and the reason needs to be good enough for them to share it. It needs to be crystal clear with why they need to do that and how you can actually track that. This is why, like, if you're doing like cash transactions or Venmo, it's impossible to do it. Like the link in the description, use that link. That's going to be able to do this sort of stuff, right? And then the fifth one is the checkout page needs to be very clean. It needs to be simple. It needs to be to the point. So parents need to know when everything is, where it is, how much it is, if there's an early bird discount, what that is compared to the normal price. Probably need to have some testimonials on there. And you need to have a page that converts customers. A lot of coaches in this space, what you'll do is you'll just send parents to a Stripe page and that's it. But you can't really customize that page down. And so, what you want to do is in your marketing, you're sending everyone to a checkout page that looks professional. So, this way, when someone gets there, they sign up. They don't just look at it and then bounce. So, you want to be able to have a nice looking checkout page that actually is converting the viewer from being, just some sort of prospect to a customer. All right. So, that's number five. Now, I'm going to show you a bonus one. Right. And this is something that when I look at, back at my career of the biggest camps I've run, and I look at the biggest camps I've kind of been in the background with other coaches that I work with up to this point, the thing that everyone does is we have a special type of offer after someone signs up. So this is just called an upsell. So this could happen immediately right after they sign up, or this can happen after the camp is finished. So let me give you an example. Let's say someone signs up and on the checkout page, it's set up to where they could do like, they could buy a camp bundle. So let's say you run consistent camps. So what you could do is let's say your camp is normally $300. All right, I'm just going to use this as an example. It's $300. They just paid $300. And then on the next page, right after they purchase, it's like a thank you page where you have a video and then you have an option to buy a camp bundle where like the camp bundle is the rest of the camps this year, you could buy it at a one-time price for $600. Well, if a customer buys that, you just made $900, right? Versus having to remarket to them the next camp that they might not even sign up for. So this gives you the opportunity of making way more money when someone goes through your checkout process versus not offering them that at all. Because 99.9% of coaches in this space will not have that set up ever. It's just buy the camp, that's it. The other way of doing this, which is actually my preference, is after the camp is done, then you have an upsell, which could be for your training program. So most coaches I work with, they have a training program that is their steady, normal thing that they sell throughout the year. And they also have camps and clinics that they have as like supplemental type of, stream of income. And so when you run a camp or clinic for people that are not in your program, then you can sell them a special offer to get into your program. That is a really good way of driving way more revenue. There's many coaches I've worked with where, the camps and clinics, they'll make like $2,000 to $5,000, and then they'll make like $5,000 to $10,000 worth of sales into their program once the camp is done because they have that upsell in place, right? Now, lastly, this is really, really important. So if you plan on having like sold out camps in the future, the first thing I talked about is in terms of marketing 30, 60 days out. That's a really, really key thing. But you want to be able to have a calendar of when your camps and clinics are. If it's this random thought of like, oh, next Saturday I'm going to have a camp, you're not going to do nearly as well as if you have that on a calendar so you know what to execute during the year. Because camps and clinics, it is a lot of work. It is not just this thing where you just wake up and go do. It requires a lot of time with marketing and sales. But if you have that detailed out on a calendar, this is a really, really simple type of strategy to add 100 or 200,000 more dollars into your business than you probably are right now. So if you're watching this video, you want actual help with stuff like this, go below in the description. You can click on that link there. You can book a call with me directly. And I'd love to chat with you and learn more about you, your situation, and see if I can actually help. See you later.